Hi guys, welcome back to Sasha's Kitchen, and today I'll be making vegetarian chow mein.
For this I have taken one noodle packet, store-bought, one cabbage, green beans finely chopped, one onion chopped thinly, green onions chopped finely, ginger and garlic chopped finely, 2 serrano peppers or green chilies, carrots finely chopped, 1 green bell pepper, some soy sauce, cumin powder, and salt. To prepare the noodles, we're going to soak them in warm to hot water for about 10 to 15 seconds. Now we're going to start preparing the noodles. So first I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of oil.
Twerk it, baby.
After the oil has been heated, we're going to add the onions in and saute them until they're about golden brown. Continuing to keep the heat on medium, we're going to add in the beans and saute them with the onions. After this, I'm going to add in garlic and ginger. Then continue to add the carrots, the serrano peppers, the green onions, and saute them finely. Add in the green bell peppers. After that has been mixed well, we're going to add in the cabbage little by little so it doesn't get too bulky. Now add in your spices, a teaspoon of cumin powder, and mix well, and salt per taste. After it has been prepared, we're going to add in the noodles and mix it well. The last step is to add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Cook this about 5 more minutes on medium heat and then your noodles are done.
So now our veggie chow mein is all done and it looks beautiful.